Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you listen to music with one earphone? And yes, you can put one earbud to the charging case or remove only one from the charging case and then close the case, use the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and as you can see, right now my main earbud is the left one, but right here also I have the right one. So I just put the left earbud to the charging case, it automatically disconnected. I can also close the case and I use only right earbud, and as you can see I still have connection with this earbud. But you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. You need to pair both of your earbuds with one device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!